Hello everyone and welcome to session 15 this week, the next to last session of the semester. And this week we'll be going over the last chapter in your text, chapter 21, which is over printers, and you'll be going over installation, configuration, and maintenance of printers. Now during this week there are several objectives. You're going to learn about the different printer types and features. And when I say the types of printers, I mean those major categories such as laser printers, inkjet printers, which just disperse ink onto the paper, thermal printers, and impact printers. So you'll get to look at all of those types of printers this week. Through the text, you'll learn how to install printers and share printers and how to manage the printer features, add-on devices, and a little bit about the printer queues. You also learn about routine maintenance tasks that are necessary to support printers when you're out there in the field and working with those printers, as well as you'll be able to take this knowledge and use those at home as well. And then lastly, you'll learn how to troubleshoot various printer problems. So as you're reading your e-text here this week, make sure to focus on those tasks and pull that information from the chapter, because you may see some of that type of information not only after this week, but once you get into the field, and it's very valuable information. I've also got a PowerPoint attached here that you can use to follow along in the chapter, take some notes if you like, or keep for future reference. The lab sims this week are the following lab sims: 13.1, which is over the motherboard, RAM, and CPU troubleshooting. There is operating system troubleshooting in 13.5. 13.10 gives you actual printer troubleshooting. So you see we have some like review information here. And 7.1 through 7.5 is all about printers as well. The configuration, network printing, printing management, and printer maintenance. So all these are invaluable tools that you'll use here in your lab sims this week. So make sure to complete not only the hands-on portion of those lab sims, but also the little exams that come with those as well. You'll see here mobile apps and operating systems here. This is your discussion for this week. Make sure to follow along and meet the requirements of the discussion, as this will be your last discussion for this semester, with this class at least. As always, your post should be at least 100 words bare minimum, and it is due by midnight Thursday for your initial posting, so that you and your classmates have plenty of time over the next few days after that to prepare any replies, to get those reply requirements met, of at least replying to 2 of your classmates. Of course, it's always best, if you can, to reply to more of your classmates so that you have that online discussion with each other and that interaction with one another. Now also you'll see that you will have to complete the quiz as always, which consists of 10 questions. You can take these multiple times. You have 20 minutes to complete the quiz, but you have an unlimited attempts. And yes, I do have it correct to where it will take your highest score this week for the quiz. So if you take your quiz and you don't do so well, take it again. I'm only going to keep the best score this week. Now I want to talk a little bit about the final now, and that is in session 16. Your final exam is in the format, and I know this is a little bit of review, but I wanted to remind you guys, it is taken out on the Test Out website. So it is the Test Out PC Pro certification. And this is 100% performance based, so simulations. So make sure you've gone over those for practice. There are practice exam questions you can do in Test Out. You will have 105 minutes to complete these 13 scenarios that have 39 tasks. Now, once you complete this, I'll be able to see your score. Hopefully you all pass it with flying colors and get your Test Out PC Pro certification, just to have that credential that you can add on and share with colleagues or other classmates. Maybe use it on a resume, but it's something you get out of it. So good luck on that, and I hope you guys all do well. Now when you're in Test Out, you'll see that you might have this tab here. It says certifications. You click on that, available exams, and you can start your Test Out PC Pro certification exam. So you can hit your start exam there. Now to do your practice exams, if you go to your table of contents there and you open that up, you'll see that you have PC Pro certification practice exams that you can go through to get you ready for your simulations. So you can go through those and complete those. You also have, if you're going to pursue the 801 and 802 A+ exams, if you decide to do that, there are practice exams that are available for those as well. Now, the last thing I'd like to talk about with the final exam is that because session 16, the final week of the semester, is a shortened week because it ends at the end of day on Saturday and grades are submitted a couple days after that, is that I wanted to make sure you guys have plenty of time. If you feel like you are completely comfortable and you're ready to take the exam this weekend, once you send me the information that yes, I've made my appointment for my proctored exam and here's where I'm doing it, here's what date and time, then if I haven't already sent the information to the proctored site, I will send that, and the exam will be available from this Saturday until the end of next Saturday. So you have from the 12th to the 19th to complete your exam at a proctored site so that you can get that done and out of the way with. I want to make sure you didn't lose that extra day that you would lose next week, so you have a full 7 days to complete this, get it scheduled, and complete your exam. If you please contact me to verify where you're taking your site and what date. The reason I ask you to let me know what date and time is so that I can try to make sure that I'm available in case any issues come up and your proctor instructor needs to contact me about an issue so that we get you taken care of. If you're going to the same site that you went to for midterm, I used that information that I sent to them 8 weeks ago. If it's changed, let me know. But also confirm with me. Regardless, email me this week. Let me know. This is where I'm taking my exam. Here's what time. This is a proctored site, just like you did for midterm, so that we make sure you're good to go. I wish you all a great session 15, as well as preparing for your final exam for next week. I hope to read your emails soon about your proctored information. Good luck, everyone.